New Zealand dollar, I warn you guys that this could go super slow or super off, right? On the weekly chart, this deep Gartley pattern at X have a lot of consolidation happening over here, right? And right now we do have a long shadow that's forming up. Bad news for a lot of traders, especially if you're in the trade, because why would I say bad news? Because it might not have hit your first target, or you're just a bit shy away from hitting your first target, and overall setup is correct, but you probably couldn't shift the stops entry, and that is why the entry price come in very important, right? If you manage to engage at 0.5552, then it could be a very different story for you. You have enough buffer to shift stops to entry, because that will give you around 173 pips of buffer, because it's a higher time frame. You know, you need a huge buffer before you get stop out at entry. Then the entire work of engaging a trade, waiting for confirmation, is all wasted, right? And you might be struggling to say, hey, why would this be even possible? Is the lowest price? Well, there's a confirmation over here. You can place a buy limit and wait to catch it when it retests back down, right? That's why we set our alert over here, right? And you can even go to the lower time frame. When the alert blinks, then you see if you have any tested trading strategy that you can use off the lower time frame to engage on this beast, right? So on the daily chart, nothing much for myself of the daily 4-hour chart. If you're looking for a buying opportunity, then the Fib-3 Bat pattern with a bit of warning sign over here. So make sure you see a 3-bar reversal or a magic candle confirmation, those kind of fun stuff, 0.5696 region before heading in for your aggressive buying setup, right? What's nice about this is the setup is still within the buy zone, so you are pretty much trend trading over here, which is on a much conservative side, right? So anyway, if you are looking for a buying opportunity, you want further confirmation, you love lower time frame, then 1-hour chart will give you the opportunity to hail off the bullish crab pattern and the Fib-3 Bat trading setup on the 1-hour chart. You know, if you're thinking, yes, the 4-hour chart Fib-3 Bat happens to appear on the 1-hour chart as well, not all the time that you go lower time frame, the setup will still be valid if you understand how the market move, right? So you could wait for candlesticks completion at about 0.5700 level.